Are you ready to supercharge your Plex experience with IPTV? In this video, I'll show you how to set up IPTV using M3U playlists seamlessly. First things first, ensure you have the right tools in place. For the best IPTV provider, check out 2TV Store, your go-to source for quality streams. Now let's get started. The first step is to install the XTVE plugin, which acts as a bridge between Plex and your M3U playlist. Go to the official XTVE website and download the latest version. Installing it is straightforward. Just follow the wizard and select the appropriate options for your operating system. Once you have XTVE installed, launch it, and you'll see an interface that allows you to configure your settings. Here, you'll need to input your M3U URL. This URL is often provided by your IPTV service, so ensure you copy it correctly. Avoid common mistakes like missing characters or extra spaces. Next, let's configure the EPG, or Electronic Program Guide. This step is crucial for enhancing your viewing experience. You'll want to find an XML-TV file that corresponds to your M3U playlist. Again, your IPTV provider will typically provide this file. Upload it in the XTVE settings. After linking your M3U and XML-TV files, it's time to map your channels. This is where you can customize your viewing experience. Go through the channel list and make sure everything looks correct. You can rename channels, add logos, or even filter out those you don't want. Now let's move back to Plex. Open your Plex web app and navigate to the settings. Under Live TV and DVR, select Set up Live TV. Plex will detect XTVE as your IPTV source. Follow the prompts to finalize the setup. You're almost there. Once everything is set up, you can start watching IPTV content on Plex. Enjoy live channels with the added bonus of Plex's powerful media organizing capabilities. Remember, for the best IPTV experience, 2TV Store has you covered with reliable service and a range of channels. Check the pinned comment for more details. If you found this useful, I've also got a video on unlocking the secrets to choosing IPTV subscriptions wisely. Don't miss it.